They almost missed it. In a flood of data from the Atlas Sky Survey, a system designed not for wonder, but for danger, a faint, fast-moving point appeared. ATLAS watches the sky every night, scanning for objects that move too quickly or too strangely to belong, and this one did both. Preliminary measurements showed an unusual hyperbolic trajectory. Instead of curving neatly around the sun like a normal comet, its path cut through our solar system on a steep, aggressive angle, as if it were obeying rules written somewhere else. Got alone raised eyebrows. When astronomers ran the first orbital calculations, the math just wouldn't settle down. The object's eccentricity was greater than 1, which means it wasn't gravitationally bound to our sun. In plain terms, this object wasn't visiting. It was just passing through. Its speed was staggering tens of kilometers per second, relative to the sun. That's too fast to be explained by any known mechanism within our solar system. No slingshot from Jupiter could account for it. This wasn't a local getting kicked out. It was a stranger from far away. That's the signature astronomers now recognize. Not proof, but a whisper from the void. Adding to the mystery, this object showed little to no visible tail. If it was icy, the ice was either long gone or made of something unfamiliar. Spectral data was noisy and faint, suggesting only weak outgassing, nothing like the dramatic displays that once terrified ancient skies. It behaved less like a herald and more like debris, and that's unsettling, because debris implies an origin. This would be our third interstellar visitor. The first, Oumuamua, arrived in 2017, no tail, weird acceleration, and a shape we still debate. The second, Borisov, came in 2019 and acted like a textbook comet, icy and familiar. A third, especially one detected this early, would suggest something profound. Interstellar visitors aren't rare. We were just bad at noticing them. Models suggest thousands of these objects pass through our solar system every year. Most are small, dark, and fly by completely unseen. This object, let's call it 3i, didn't slow down. It didn't loop around, it didn't linger. Its path was a one-way ticket, a single pass by our sun before being flung back into interstellar space forever. No return, no future apparition. Ancient civilizations saw comets as messages, warnings from the gods. But a one-time interstellar passerby carries no prophecy. It only carries evidence. Evidence that other solar systems create debris. That the space between stars is not empty, it's a cosmic highway. And perhaps most humbling of all, the universe doesn't send visitors for us, we are simply standing in the way. It would leave no crater, no ruins, only a line of data in an archive, and the quiet, unsettling realization that home is not as enclosed as we once believed.